So why trade, and why trade specifically Forex, you might be asking yourself. Well, there are many advantages to trading Forex over and above any other asset class. There are plenty of benefits. There's a lot of time and money efficiency. It means that you can essentially, due to the 24-hour nature of the market, which is open from Monday to Friday, it means that you can trade a time frame and a strategy which really does fit into your lifestyle. So you might choose to be an intraday trader, trading a few hours every morning, GMT, and be happy just to place a few trades and be in and out of the market like a ninja. Or you might choose to be a lazy trader and simply trade the daily and the weekly time frame, leaving your trades to simply do their thing in the daytime, over the days and the weeks, while you go about your merry day without a care in the world, really. Safe in the knowledge that your money is working for you. So you've got that time, lifestyle flexibility, and of course that gives you the freedom to really kind of fit currency trading into your life to do what you want and when you want to. You can be your own boss, follow your own rules, and really just use trading to benefit your lifestyle rather than having to change your lifestyle around to fit in with your trading. That's the key advantage for us for trading Forex. Okay. Over and above is also a very highly liquid market, like we already discussed, whereby $4.5 trillion are traded daily, which means that it's very it's not susceptible to manipulation by the banks, like in the same way that stocks are, like gapping stocks, and we're not excluding from privileged information, which can cause gapping. Not that we know, because we don't know this exclusive information, but we are happily just in a very liquid market where we can always find somebody else to take the other side of our trade and get us out or in a position. Okay, so we've got leverage, which means that we can essentially use a small amount of money to control a far bigger amount of money. So you could potentially make more money from a pot or trading account containing money than you would otherwise have it invested in stocks. There are low barriers to entry for trading in general. It doesn't matter whether this is FX trading or any asset class trading for that matter. All you need is an internet connection, a computer, and a trading account. And when you compare that to how much money is typically invested into a business these days, the setup costs are pretty minimal. It's not like you're having to spend £50,000 on a franchise with a coffee chain, for example, or having to spend fixed costs on a monthly basis on rent, staff costs, wages, and equipment. It's just your trading account, an internet connection, and of course a laptop. So minimal startup costs, low costs for running it, and of course, when I say we have losses in trading, everyone does. You celebrate the losses as a necessary business expense in advance of a winning trade or a string of winning trades. So we talked about why trading is so great, and we've talked about, for a couple of reasons, why Forex is so good in amongst the multiple asset classes we typically can trade. But there are more reasons why we like FX, for example. Well, it's not open 24/7, unfortunately. If only it was. It's actually open for 5 days a week, but for 24 hours, less gapping, and the Forex market is actually literally made of money. So you can really trade when you want. Of course, professional traders have a very fixed view as to when they should be trading, rather than just simply trading at will. 4.5 trillion traded daily. And the spreads are very small. That's the great thing about having such a liquid market. The spreads are tiny, and when I want to define a spread is essentially the difference between the buy and the sell price, and that is the broker's cut for essentially placing a trade. So that's a small fee which you pay the broker, and the smaller the spread, the better. And of course, if Forex is very liquid like it is, we can just pay a very small amount per every trade we place. It's not like we have to pay a large spread like we would of any of the less liquid asset classes out there. So you might be thinking, what's the downside? Well, Forex, it does have many advantages over and above anything else. That's why we trade it. Like this guy here. So we can typically get the data to trade Forex through platforms like MetaTrader, eSignal. MetaTrader is free. Typically, your broker will give you this, so you don't have to go paying for the nose every month for our charting software. Your broker prices, they'll give you, will quite literally be the broker prices, i.e. what prices they're quoting the markets. Please bear in mind that the Forex market is a decentralized marketplace, so typically there will be discrepancies between what price one broker is offering compared to what price the next broker is offering. So MetaTrader is quite a cool bit of kit, giving you full information regarding what most currency pairs are doing, depending on what your broker offers. So loads to trade, including precious metals. You can see here on the left-hand side, we've got majors, minors, and the exotic crosses here, like Euro and Euro DKK. It's yeah, depends what your broker offers. Obviously, I'd always recommend going for a broker who has choice. Okay, there's no point in trading long-term like us, lazy traders, set and forget strategies where we've only got a couple or a few currency pairs to trade. You might as well have the full run of as many currency pairs as possible.
What do you think of that? Trading does not have to be difficult or time-consuming. In fact, all you need to become a profitable lazy trader is a single strategy which you can trade for only minutes a day. Visit thelazytrader.com and download for free 5 rapid ways to become highly profitable at Forex trading and your trade secret video pack, so that you can copy the winning elite and rapidly accelerate your long-term success in financial markets trading. Trade profitably from as little as minutes a day and beat the banks and brokers at their own game. This is available for a limited time, so download it today. www.thelazytrader.com. It's free, fun, and most importantly, it will help you. Visit thelazytrader.com.